Our top story this morning, Barry, the first tropical storm of the season, continues to push inland right now. The slow-moving system is dumping rain and threatening communities from Florida through Alabama. Louisiana is getting the strongest hit. Jay Gray is in New Orleans with a closer look.
Barry announcing its arrival with gusting winds, rain, and in places like Mandeville, Louisiana, a violent storm surge.
This is Lake Pontchartrain.
Waves pushing over the banks and into this neighborhood.
Look at this. That's the area of tropical storm force winds. It's going to take a few days for this to get out of there.
In low-lying parishes, trees and power lines are down, roads and communities overrun by the water. The Coast Guard pulling 12 stranded residents and 2 pets to safety. The unorthodox and unorganized system also lashing Alabama and Mississippi, where even this alligator seems to be searching for higher ground. Forecasters warning the storm will continue to slowly push inland, bringing with it flooding rains in some areas 20 inches or more. As the water continues to pour in. Jay Gray, NBC News, New Orleans.
The slow pace of the system is pushing the threat of significant flooding into today and tomorrow. Forecasters are warning of dangerous storm surge, heavy rain, and strong winds. This right here, take a look, is video of a car stuck on sand at the beach on Dauphin Island. The storm made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane yesterday afternoon and quickly weakened and will continue to weaken. The main concern is not the wind, but the high surf, which is causing major flooding. And people in this town are trying to help the wildlife that are trapped by the storm. You can see how these deer are having trouble getting across a flooded area south of New Orleans. In Montague, people have been using boats to wrangle horses, cattle, and other animals to safety.